guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing both of my Boxycharm boxes for May. I know it is super late. My base box actually came in on time, but then my premium box was super delayed, and I totally understand, you know, with the pandemic and everything, the mail is super slow. So I decided to wait for both boxes to arrive to do one combined video unboxing both boxes. So yeah, so I finally got my premium box and I'm going to be doing this video. So the first box we will start with is the base box. This is $25 a month. It used to be $21, they increased it. I think there's like more expensive items in the boxes now, and that is why they increased it to $25. It used to only be $21. So yeah, let's get started. So one thing that I noticed is that I didn't get a card this month showing like the prices and things like that for the products, but that is okay. So the first item is actually the item that I chose, and I chose this Hourglass product. It's Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick, and I got the shade Rose Gold Flash. So I believe there was, I think, 4 colors. I didn't get to choose the color, so it was just like random. And I chose this because I love highlighters and I'm into like cream products, so I was really excited to try this. And the packaging is super cute. Reminds me of their foundation stick, which I love. And this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. So I'm pretty excited to try this. This is a very pricey item. I had to guess probably around $40, maybe more. And this is sold at Sephora. So then we have this Beauty Creations Cali Chic palette of some sort. It's really pretty. The packaging is so pretty. It reminds me of summer. And it's an eyeshadow palette, and I'm surprised it's super neutral. I was expecting there to be at least a couple bright shades, and it's really pretty. That is so pretty. So then we have this Blank Black Lash Primer, Jet Black Volume. So that's interesting. And then we have this Pretty Vulgar product. This is an eyeshadow primer. So this is actually a brand that is sold at Sephora, and this is pretty exciting. It's useful. I use eyeshadow primers every day, so I'm pretty excited about this. And then the last item in this box is this Dominique Cosmetics, I think it's a lip gloss actually. Strawberry Lemonade is the shade. So I actually got one of these in one of my boxes before. I got the shade Peach Tea, if I remember correctly, that is the name. These glosses are so nice. This is a really pretty shade. So I'm pretty excited to try out this shade. So that is everything that I got in my base box. Overall, I'm pretty impressed. I'm super excited to try out the Hourglass highlighting stick. So now moving on to the premium box. So this is $35 a month. You get more products, more value, and yeah. So let's begin. I wonder if this box has a card. And it does. So they probably just forgot to put a card in my regular box. So this is what it looks like. The theme is Mother Nature, and on the back it's got all the products and the prices. So the first thing, actually, we'll start with the item that I chose. So I chose a Smashbox eyeshadow trio in Holy Crop. So I thought this was really cute. I like the shades. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And I'm trying to open it. There we go. So it's super pretty. nice everyday shades. Perfect for traveling, perfect for on the go. And yeah, so I'm pretty excited about this. This is worth $23. So then we have this Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm, and it's Peony, so that's the shade. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love the packaging. It smells really, really good. It smells like vanilla cupcake. Oh, that's nice. I love lip products, and I am so excited about this. This is worth only $12. I'm pretty surprised. So then we have this, Kevin Aquan product. I'm pretty sure this is a very pricey brand. This is the Expert Mascara, and it's in black. So the packaging is like gold. I'll open it up and show you the wand. Oh, this is different. So it's curved. This is pretty exciting. So this is worth $29. So then we have this Milk makeup product, and if I remember correctly, I think this was like a choice along with this, and then I ended up, no. This is actually a choice for June. So I am so happy that I didn't choose this product, because then I would have ended up with two of them. That is so weird. I'm pretty sure if my memory is correct. Yeah, anyways, I'm really happy that I didn't choose it for June, because I ended up getting it anyway. So yeah, this is a Milk makeup product in Glimmer. If it's the same product, it could have been a different product. Maybe I'm crazy. No, I'm pretty sure this was my choice. So I think this is like a lip and cheek product. It's like multi-use. Yeah, Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. I'm trying to open it. There we go. I can't really get like the protector thing off, but it's like a red shade. It's really pretty actually. I like that you can use it both on the lips and the cheeks. So this here is worth $15. So I'm wondering if this is like a deluxe size or if it's full size, but it's actually like a pretty nice size anyway. It's nice for the purse. So then there's there's two items left. So this is a Kat Von D Inkwell Liner, Longwear Matte Eyeliner. I got the shade Dark Wave, so it's like a blue shade, which I'm actually pretty happy with because I have so many black eyeliners, so this is a nice change. And packaging is super cute. And that's what it looks like. So this is nice for summer, and this is worth $20. So this is the last thing. It's this box, and it's Baddington, that's what it says. I'm pretty sure these are brushes. Yeah, so it's a brush set. You get a powder brush, a contour foundation brush, and yeah, it looks like there's just two brushes. And these feel like really nice. They're heavy, and just feel the brushes itself. Very nice. Feels so nice. So I love the gold packaging. Yeah, they're very nice. I'm pretty happy about these. I love makeup brushes, and oh my gosh, I was not expecting this, but these are worth $90. That is crazy. That's crazy. That's like $45 each. That is crazy. No wonder like they feel like nice. Wow. I'm pretty excited about these. I did not expect to see that. Wow. So yeah, that is everything that I got in this box. Another great box. I'm excited for literally everything. I like that I get this lip balm. Packaging is just adorable. The mascara I'm pretty excited about. The brushes, of course. I'm excited for the Milk product. The Smashbox eyeshadow palette, so cute. And yeah, so that is everything. And I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and I will see you all next time.